So one of the major questions I get from most of you guys is, what is AI? What is artificial intelligence? And do you need to actually know mathematics to study artificial intelligence? Well, let me answer the first question. Artificial intelligence is just a way, or it's a concept developed by specialists to train some agents that behaves like human being. All right, so they mimic human behavior. That is just what artificial intelligence is. So it gives us room to stop the regular traditional programming. You don't have to do too much work. All you just have to do is create these agents that would perform human-like tasks. That is what AI is. All right, so the second question that most of you are wondering about is, how difficult is artificial intelligence? Well, talking about AI, there are pre-built functions or packages or dependencies. Don't worry, once you get to know these things, they're not really difficult to comprehend. So AI is a very, very simple technology. All you need to do is know the fundamentals of Python programming. In fact, you can even build AI using JavaScript and all of that. So basically, you need to know the fundamentals of Python programming to just work with AI. And everybody is wondering, okay, we've been hearing that, do we need to know mathematics? Do we need to understand the core of mathematics? Well, truth be told, you need to know a little bit of mathematics, but you don't have to be a professional maths person. You just need basic mathematics like linear algebra. You don't need to even implement them because they are built-in functions that does these things for you. And another question you guys usually have is, or normally have is, you wonder if you need to go to a college or a university to learn artificial intelligence. Not necessarily. You could learn AI at the comfort of your home, but the downside to that is, let's say you pick a course on AI on YouTube, for instance, and you got to a point you realize that you got stuck. You can't really comprehend what is happening anymore. You get confused. You won't know who to ask questions. So that is why Aptech Agile Center is here for you. We don't really mind whether you've gone to high school or anything. We can always accommodate you, and we have professional instructors that will take you from the grassroots of Python down to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Can I learn AI without machine learning, or without having the knowledge of machine learning? Well, most people confuse this thing. AI is like, okay, take for instance, let me give you an instance. You have a mother, right? And without a parent, like a mother and a father, you can't have what? You can't have children, right? That's an example. So AI is like the parent that houses things like machine learning, deep learning, and so on and so forth. So machine learning is a subset of AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Neural network is a subset of what? Deep learning. So it's like a parent with child, with grandchild, and so on and so forth. So you have to have the knowledge of artificial intelligence to learn machine learning. So machine learning is just a part of what? Of AI. We have other branches of AI like system engineering and so on and so forth. So I hope that answers your question. How do you start the journey into artificial intelligence? Well, if you want to start up, it all depends on you. Some prefer to learn artificial intelligence at the comfort of their home. So you could be at home and then you're learning virtually. That's very, very fine. And my suggestion would be for such people, make sure it is an online instructor, not just you watching a video and then you pick a video up and then you start learning. You would run into some problems where you can't answer questions. So Aptech Agile Center offers you this feature. We have professional instructors that will teach you these things from the grassroots, and you get to ask them various questions. All right, so that's one aspect. Also, we have physical learning. You can decide that, okay, I prefer to see the person, so even if I'm getting errors or I'm getting problems, I could meet them one-on-one so they could fix this problem for me. So it all depends on you. So these are the two major ways I would suggest you learn artificial intelligence. And where can you learn AI? Well, we're not far away. We're just situated at Aptech Agile Center, Shangotedo, just at Alpha Bus Stop right here. So take note, if you've enjoyed every single thing you've heard so far, we are the go-to institution. We're not far away, and we got you covered.